President Prabowo ordered the Ministry of Defense to procure 100 Bailey bridges to restore connectivity in disaster-stricken regions in Sumatra.
Modular, rapid deployment Bailey bridges are the most effective temporary solution for replacing destroyed permanent structures. The government is prioritizing these bridges in the hardest hit areas to restore vital community connectivity immediately. The procurement involves cross-ministerial coordination within the Nation Army leading distribution and on-site installation. Officials target the arrival and assembly of the units by early next year. The government expects the move to accelerate social and economic recovery while streamlining logistic and public services in disaster zones. The initiative also reaffirms the government's commitment to rebuilding vital infrastructure for public safety and welfare.